Audio Jungle.
Thank you, sir, for sharing such an inspiring message from your book of life. From the day we started with the academic year, our school has organized various activities right from the pre-primary section to the high school section. To summarize all these, we will now present before you the annual school report for the academic year 2023-2024, along with a few glimpses of the event. Hope you enjoy.
Will never lose hope. I believe in my ambition. With competition, we'll go. Myself, Miss Mary De Silva, and myself, Master Rudra Shirgaonkar, take the opportunity to present before you our school annual report for the academic year 2023-2024. Our Don Bosco High School is a learning community where each is free to be and grow towards the realization of his or her highest human potential through a harmonious integration of spirit, heart, mind and body. Our teachers work around the clock to identify talents and brings out the best in every student. Various inter-class and inter-house competitions were held on regular basis in our school. The academic session 2023-2024 began with the prayer service, followed by the Vice Teacher ceremony. To welcome the newly appointed Students' Council members, they took the oath and accepted portfolios handed over to them in true spirit and honor. This was followed by the various activities. Let us now look at the glimpses of our creativity, teamwork, and our hard efforts. of Don Bosco High School believe in making the best use of opportunities presented to us and wish to excel in every field. We would like to continue our annual report with the following line. We believe in our visions. We believe in reality. Now everything is possible because we believe in all.
Before we start with the musical, I request two of our students, Ms. Charvi Kudav and Ms. Sanika Maldar, to present the synopsis before you. Thank you.
The chief guest of today's program, Sir Shetye. Nature is the fountainhead of beauty and peace. It soothes the heart, mind and soul. It refreshes us with vitality. Nature, we know, is the best teacher. There is so much of wisdom that we can draw from nature. Today, we, the management, principal, staff and students present to you a mind-blowing performing art entitled In the Trees, in the Breeze, Seek Nature's Peace and Bliss. The performance is based on how nature plays an important role in our life. God created this planet Earth keeping in mind our every need. Initially, man made the best use of it and took care to nurture it. As the years went by, man grew intellectually and became powerful. At this time, the environmental degradation began. Man's greed had no end. The continuous exploitation of nature has posed a serious threat to environment. Man does not give a second thought to hill cutting or trees cutting, nor do we bother about air, land, water or noise pollution. It is only our happiness and satisfaction that we want to take care of. We have reached a stage where our negligence is going to reach to disaster. We need to act before it is too late. So friends, let us sit back, relax and eyes focused on the stage as each group comes forth with a valuable lesson. Thank you.
हांगाच कर आणि हांगाच भोग ही या भुयेत जन्मल्ल्या गोंयकारांची भोव लौकिक वोपार. परमेश्वरान हो सोबीत संसार निर्माण करून आपल्या सारको मनशाक रचून ताचेर आशीर्वाद घालून म्हळे. चडात आणि वाडात पृथ्वी उपाड भरात देवाच्या आशीर्वादान सैमाच्या वेगवेगळ्या घटकाक आपणाचे देव मानून मनीस देवाच्या आणि सैमाच्या सहभागात खुशाल जिवूंक लागलो. दीस, साताळे, म्हयने आणि शेकड्यांनी वर्सां गेली. मनीस गर्विष्ट जावन देवा आणि सैमाच्या सुमेळांतल्यान कडसरलो. स्वताच्या बळगेचेर उडपाक लागलो. मनीस स्वार्थी जालो. स्वताच्या सुखा खातीर, स्वताचे उदरगती खातीर देवान रचिल्ल्या सृष्टीचो इबाड करपाक लागलो. हिसपा भायर झाडां, जनवरां मारून, दोंगर कातरून मनशान आपल्याच पांयाचेर कुराड मारून घेतली. ताणें केल्ल्या कर्माचें फळ ताका हांगाच भोगचें पडलें. जळीमळी वशाची दुयेंसां वाडत गेली. धर्तरी हिसपा भायर तापली. मलेरिया, डेंगू, एड्स, कोरोना सारकेले साबार अमर दुयेंसांचो तो शिकार जाला. सैमा सांगाता मनीस नानपैत जावंक लागल्या. पूण मनीस एक विचार करपी जनावर आशिल्ल्यान ताका आपणाचे चुकीचो पश्चाताप जाला. ताणें आपणाचे जिवीत शेगुणी करपाचो थाराव घेतला. देवाच्या आणि सैमाच्या सुमेळात परतून जियोवपाचो निश्चय केला. शेकड्यांनी वर्सां समाधानी जीवन जिवंक तो सैम सांबाळून ताकतिकेन भायर सरिल्लो आसा. भिवू नाका, हांव तुज्या सांगाता आसा. ही देवाची स्फूर्त दिवपी उतरां तांच्या कानात घू घू घुंवतात. खरेंच देव तारीत ताका कोण मारीत. देव बरें करूं.
Long time ago, there lived an old man with his grandchildren. He was very fond of them and would often tell them bedtime stories. One day, as he was relaxing on the rocking chair, listening to the old music, all of a sudden, his grandchildren came running towards him and said,
Let's ask Grandpa. Grandpa, let's play Free Fire game on the mobile.
Wait. I'm listening to some music.
What are you listening to this music, Grandpa? It's so boring.
No, it's my favorite. I like to listen to this music. It is old, but as precious as gold.
Gold? Can you call this gold? Ha ha ha. It's something very gold.
Yes, for you it may be, but what I have experienced and seen in my life is much more precious than gold. How can I forget those days? Would you like to listen how our lives were?
Yes, Grandpa, yes.
Yes, Grandpa. We all would like to know how the life was at that time.
I would like to begin with the nature, the most beautiful creation of God. How can I forget the richness of the sunset, the twinkling of the stars, the waves that crash across the sandy shorelines, trees that tower towards the sun, painted traffic clouds that float in the sky, magnificent planets.
Grandpa, there are 8 planets in the solar system.
Yes, Rudra, and the diversity of animals, all witness to a creator, a designer. Just imagine those days. Just imagine.
Let us witness these wonders of God through a creation dance.
In the beginning, God made everything. To lay in the grass and look up at the sky, watch the clouds above and search for a rainbow. I see a kite fly by and I say hi.
Hello, kite!
Come on and spread your wings so we can take flight. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong, strong, strong as a tiger in a big as a giraffe, so high, high. And I jump like a kangaroo, swim. I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay. And I say, such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong, strong, strong as a tiger and as big as a giraffe, so high, high. And I jump like a kangaroo, swim. I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay. And I say, such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong, strong, strong as a tiger and as big as a giraffe, so high, high. And I jump like a kangaroo, swim. I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay. And I say, such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong, strong as a tiger and as big as a giraffe, so high, and I jump like a kangaroo, swim. I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay. And I say, such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day.
Nature is the mother of all. It helps us to sustain our life. It is our companion since eternity.
Grandpa, when did human beings come into existence?
Our life as human beings started on this planet Earth millions of years ago, when the knowledge of man was not better than an animal. At that time, man used to get all the things needed for life only from nature.
We all were dependent on the nature, Grandpa.
Yes, all those people were dependent on nature. Even we, to some extent, were dependent on nature. But today, the time has changed completely.
But Grandpa, how human beings looked like during those times?
Humans look totally different from us. They dressed differently. They clad themselves with leaves, animal skin, barks of the trees, and anything which was available in nature. Their eating habits were different, but what was more fascinating about them was they worshipped nature.
Oh, I see.
Would you like to see them?
Yes, Grandpa. Yes.
Come, I will show you a video.
Wow, video?
It was a tale of life's journey, a journey that led to the emergence of a remarkable
Let us get
species.
swept away into the nature as we welcome the students with a tribal dance.
Some 7 to 10 million years ago. Our ancestors were not yet humans, but rather a branch of primates sharing a common ancestor with modern chimpanzees and bonobos. They lived in the trees, small and unassuming, unaware that they were the pioneers of an incredible saga. As eons passed, this branch of primates began to change. The forces of nature and the challenges of survival shaped their destiny. The first major step in this transformation was the ability to walk on two legs, a development known as bipedalism. This adaptation allowed them to free their hands, enabling tool use and resource gathering. The story continued with the emergence of Australopithecines, small-brained bipeds that roamed Africa about 4 to 2 million years ago. Among them was a famous character named Australopithecus afarensis, affectionately known as Lucy. These Australopithecines were not our direct ancestors, but they were part of our family tree. Around 2.5 million years ago, a new character arrived on the scene, Homo habilis. These hominins had larger brains and were associated with the use of stone tools. Their ability to shape the world around them marked a significant technological leap. The next chapter introduced Homo erectus, who appeared about 1.9 million years ago. With even larger brains and more advanced tools, they embarked on a grand adventure. Homo erectus was the first hominin species to venture out of Africa, spreading their presence across Asia and Europe. As the eons marched on, various archaic human species, including the enigmatic Neanderthals in Europe, left their mark on the evolving story. These hominins had larger brains, complex social behaviors, and the ability to create more sophisticated tools. Then, around 200,000 years ago, in the heart of Africa, a new character emerged, Homo sapiens. With our unique combination of large brains and advanced cognitive abilities, we became the sole surviving species within the Homo genus. Our story didn't stop in Africa. It was a story of migrations, of bold explorers leaving their ancestral home to settle in different corners of the world. These journeys led to the development of diverse cultures, languages, and adaptations to a wide array of environments.
something about you as a young boy.
Ha! Young boy. When I was a young boy, we lived in a small house in a beautiful village. I had 3 best friends, Kajitan, Sayed and Maya. She is my sister. Yes, we went to a government school which was just a mile away from our house with no footwear.
No footwear? Grandpa, did your legs burn?
To some extent, and only with a cloth bag and a slate.
No books, Grandpa?
No books, Shravya.
Guruji will be waiting for us with a big stream. He will beat us if we are late. The first period is Marathi. एक साथ नमस्ते गुरुजी.
बसा. कालचा गृहपाठ केला का?
हो.
पाढेपाठ केले का?
हो.
समीर म्हण बरं.
बे एके बे. बे दुनी चार. बेत्रिक.
बेत्रिक. बेत्रिक किती समीर? बेत्रिक किती?
सहा. बेचोकार. बेपंचदहा.
चला मुलांनो, आपला आपला डबा खायला चला. मी पण माझा डबा खाऊन घेतो.
आरुष, आज किती आलं रे? हांवें तिजनाची कापां हाडल्या. बरें आसा, तुम्ही बी घेऊन खावन पळया. हे कितें? नाश्त्याची भाकर एकदा खाऊन तरी पळय. कडू कडू लागता. My grandmother says that it is healthy and nutritious and also rich in iron.
वाह, मुगाची उसळ मला खूप आवडते.
आणि घे मुग.
शाळा सुटली, पाठी फुटली. शाळा सुटली, पाठी फुटली. Grandpa, your food was so healthy and nutritious. It is totally different from our food habits. Now I understood why you are so healthy and active, still at this age.
Yes, I am. Why I always tell you not to eat junk food. It is not at all good for health.
Grandpa, my mama told me you would would also go to the fields with your parents.
Yes, I enjoyed helping my parents besides studies.
Grandpa, how did you manage studies and working at the same time?
Come, let's go outside. I will tell you more about it.
आयली तुम्ही कोणाक मार पडलो गो बाय सांगू रे सांगू 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 काय ना गे आई चडचडीत हातपाय धुयात आणि जेवंक बसात बरे आई
म्हाका बाबा वांगडा चोरांक वचोंक जाय
अरे तू चोरांक वयता काय गोरवांक चोरांक व्हरता रे
बाय हांगा गोरवांक बाय तू म्हाज्या वांगडा शेतांत येता मुगो
हय आई आयज आमकां शेत तूं वचूंक जाय न्हय
हय आमकां मदत करूंक केजीकनाची माय येता
आई म्हजो घरपाट आसा तो येवन मागीर करतले
बरें आसा आतां जेवन घेयात
आई हांव तुजी कितें मदत करूं
कर गो बाय ना गो बाय तुझ्या बाबाक रावला
आई जेवण बरें जाला
आनीक कितें जाय बाय
हय आई म्हाका इल्ली उसळ वाड न्हू
बाबा तुका कितें जाय
नाका
राव बाबाय तू आलो घेता
आई हांव घेव
राव बाबाय कोयती घेता
आई माझी हाडा
बेगीन शेतांत या
हय गे आई या गे
चल गो बाय बेगीन चल
आगे राव गे आई हे पळय चलता गे
फकाणां करूं नाका हांव मारतले
आगे आई तुका चलपाची सवय आसा गे हांव चलना न्हू केन्ना अशें पाना वयल्यान आवय गे आई आवय गे आई
सांगताले मगो तुका पडले मगो चल गो बाय कामाक लाग
पोस्त्या दिदी कसा आसा तिमा येऊंग ना
गो मोगरा बरे आसाय मगो काल तू पडलेले न्हय तुजो पाय बरो आसा मगो देवा तुका आर्गा हेच आमचे पोट देवा आमकां बळगे आनी घटाय दी कष्ट करपाक
पावरे सायबा
अगो रोजा तू केन्ना आयले गो
आयले तर चल लागया कामाक
चल
शेवत्या आमगे सायबिणीक यो हा
सायबीण आनी चुकोवंक जाता
रोजा आंटी सायबिणी घेता चणे दवरा
ये
ओनू शेत बरें पिकला न्हू
हय पावसूय बरो पडला
पळोवन खूब खोशे भोगता चल गो बाय आमी घरान या मुगो चल गो राजा तुका सायबिणीची तयारी करूंक जाय न्हय
हय चल मेवचे मागीर
चल येता मागे सायबिणी घे गो बाय
बाबा आई आनी बाय खंय पावली सांज जाली अजून नका दिवंक ना
राव ती येतली तू तुझो अभ्यास कर
बेगीन चल गो बाय
आगे आई ती माथ्यार पेली वचन दिल्याने हांगा खाज मारता सारकी
घरा वच आनी हात पाय धू
बरें आई
ऐकल्या शेवत्या ह्या वर्सा आमका बरोच फायदो जाला
ओनू पावस बरो पडला न्हय
हय
गो बाय कितें झगडी करताय गो
हे कितको वेळ जालो रे 7 जाली म्हाका दिसता पळय आई तुळशीक दिवो लायता अरे आमकां रोजा आंटीगेर सायबिणीक वचूंक जाय आसले चल आईक सांगया राव पहिले आईक तुळशीक दिवो लावन जावनी मागीर सांगया आई आमी रोजा आंटीगेर सायबिणीक वता
चलत बेगीन घरा येयात हा
बरें आई
अगो बाय त्या गोष्टीच्या घडाकडे काढोक आसा मारशीत बीन तेका धर ताचो हात सायबा तू आमकां पाव असोच निसर्गान आमकां सांगात दिवचो दर वर्सा आमकांच न्हय तर समेस्त लोकांक बरें पीक मेळचें देवा तू पाव